Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my PicAds 3.0 review, where I'm going to be taking a close look at the product, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses you are going to be getting from me in addition to PicAds 3.0, which goes live on the 15th of August by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So in a nutshell, this is a collection of animated ads for e-commerce, or basically for anything you want to do. If you need to get people's attention in order to get affiliate commissions, or maybe you have an e-commerce store and you want to use ads to get traffic to your e-commerce store, basically if you do any kind of business online, it means you need to get people's attention, right? So you are getting access to these animated image ads that are actually proven to get people's attention. Now you're getting access to over 1,000 animated ad design templates. You don't need any special software to customize the templates. That's to make it unique to your own product or to any offer you're trying to send traffic to. What you need is PowerPoint, which usually comes with your installation if you're on Windows, or maybe if you're using Mac also. Anyways, PowerPoint is usually a Windows application, and what that means is you can easily customize this to create, these animated ads. You're going to find, this type of ads. You can actually come to the sales page to come check this out. Now, if you click on the link in the description of this video, it's going to take you to this bonus page. And if you click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page, it's going to take you to the sales page of PicAds 3.0, where you're going to be able to pick it up. So I'm going to run through my bonuses that I'm giving you, which are going to be available once you log into your JVZoo. You can go to looking for your purchases, and then you can actually go to your purchases. You are going to find PicAds 3.0, and then you would find my bonuses just right next to it. Bonus number one is an ebook maker software that allows you to enter your own affiliate links and automatically create unlimited ebooks. You are also getting access to funnels inside the same software that allows you to build your list. You can use them to give away these ebooks that are containing your own affiliate links. You can use the funnels to drive traffic. Plus, you get access to free traffic training also. So you're getting access to 2-in-1. You're getting access to funnels, funnel creator, and ebook maker in one software. Bonus number 2 is a traffic software. This is traffic pool. This gives you done for you bonus page templates. Now, if you are doing anything online, promoting any offers, maybe to digital products or even to physical products, offering bonuses really help. Now, how do you offer these bonuses in the most attractive way that makes people click on your links to go and make purchases that gets you sales and commissions? That's by using these templates. This software gives you done for you templates that you can customize to create your own bonus pages in less than 1 minute. And this allows you to create unlimited bonus pages. Now, the cool part is it comes with done for you bonuses, so you don't have to stress yourself. The bonuses are there, the graphics are there to make everything presentable. Now, not just that, you get access to traffic rotator that sends you free traffic also, to get you conversions and sales. And this rotator is accessible inside the cloud-based software. Bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to cutout images that you can also use, to customize your PicAds templates. So you can just go ahead, upload, and then use these. These images have no background. So imagine this lady now putting her on another background, maybe on a boat, in an office, so you have pictures like that you can actually use, and this makes your graphics come out and appear actually very professional and get people's attention. Obviously you can use that with your PicAds templates. Bonus number 4, you are getting access to a cloud-based software that gives you done for you squeeze page templates. This is cloud-based, so you can build your list. You get Basically, you can actually create several thousands based on the combination that you can easily customize right from this cloud-based software to create your own, done for you quiz pages. Bonus number 5, you are going to be getting access to a training where I'm going to be showing you, as someone with over 10 years experience with web design, I'm going to show you how to create your own website with WordPress, or how to do everything with WordPress. You want to create an affiliate site or an e-commerce site or a blog or any type of business website, not just for yourself, or you can actually offer this kind of service and also get paid for creating business websites for people without writing a single line of code, of course, because I'm going to show you how to do that with WordPress. Bonus number 6 is a video traffic software that allows you, to drive a ton of traffic using other people's content, using other people's viral videos, without you creating any videos yourself. And of course, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses also. Once again, all you need to do is click on any of the red buttons on this page, and it's going to take you to the sales page of PicAds 3.0, where you're going to be able to pick this up. So it says new breakthrough animated ad design templates for high converting sales ads with just a few clicks. All you need is PowerPoint. Create engaging, captivating, and converting animated ad design. So feel free to come check out the video presentation. Also come check out the sales page to get more information about this. There's a ton of information you are going to get, on this sales page. So I'm going to let you see how this works right now, just a brief demo and information about this. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $25. Now there's a few optional upgrades which are completely optional. Even if all you get is just the front end, you still get to keep all my custom software and traffic bonuses. So that's my review of PicAds 3.0. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Thank you for checking out this review, and stay tuned right now for a brief demo.
Don't let your promotion ad design look boring. Don't you want to get more engaging, captivating, and converting to get more sales and profits? You'll certainly need to use high-quality animated ad designs that show off your products with their best features to attract and convert leads to sales. Presenting PicAds 3.0, an all-in-one creative tool, the fastest and easiest way to create click-worthy animated ads in a few minutes to increase your profits. PicAds 3.0 series helps you to create persuasive e-commerce animated graphics like banners, product thumbnails, advertisements, and social media posts to boost your brand. No need for complicated software. You do not need design experts. Anyone can do it. Everything is only done using PowerPoint. PicAds 3.0 allows you to easily create eye-catching, engaging, and winning ads designed to increase your engagements and boost your conversions and sales without stress. See how PicAds 3.0 lets you easily create click-worthy animated ads. Step 1. Pick from over 1,000 plus pre-made, easy-to-edit animated ad templates. Step 2. Customize content, text, and images, or add your own brand. Step 3. Export your final ad design to JPEG, PNG, or GIF, MP4. Your animated ad is ready to be advertised or published on social media or websites. You've got that simple way that allows you to create quality-grabbing animated ads designed in minutes for unlimited campaign and unlimited niches. PicAds 3.0 will help you quickly and easily to create animated ads designed for Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Instagram ads, Snapchat ads, Google ads, Yahoo ads, Tumblr ads, TikTok ads, and other most popular ad places. PicAds 3.0 is bundle done for you animated ad templates, better and different than previous ones. Get more value for ads fast and easy using PicAds 3.0. Get a special price today.